Welcome to Radiant Mindset, where the law of attraction works in your favor. Today's affirmations will align your thoughts with wealth, making money flow to you easily and effortlessly. Listen with an open heart and mind, allowing abundance to find you in limitless, joyful, and unexpected ways each and every day. Money flows to me easily and effortlessly from multiple sources daily. I am open to receiving wealth in all forms with joy. My thoughts align perfectly with the energy of financial abundance now. I attract money naturally through ideas, opportunities, and inspired actions. Prosperity finds me wherever I go and in everything I do. I am a magnet for money and unlimited financial blessings today. Money comes to me in expected and beautifully unexpected ways now. My positive energy draws financial success into my life with ease. I release all resistance and allow wealth to flow freely. I am worthy of receiving large amounts of money effortlessly. Abundance surrounds me and flows to me in divine timing. I attract money by focusing on joy, gratitude, and prosperity daily. Every dollar I spend returns to me multiplied in abundance. Money and success flow into my life with perfect ease now. I welcome prosperity into my life with open arms and heart. The universe supports my financial goals with endless opportunities today. I am aligned with the natural flow of money and wealth. My financial blessings increase each day without stress or effort. I deserve wealth and abundance in all areas of my life. Money flows toward me because I radiate confidence and prosperity. I am grateful for the abundance of money entering my life. I trust the process of money flowing to me easily. I attract wealth by focusing only on thoughts of abundance now. My income grows steadily through creative and inspired opportunities daily. I am surrounded by limitless channels through which money flows. Prosperity is drawn to me because I vibrate at its frequency. My mind is tuned to attract financial success naturally and effortlessly. I receive money from sources known and beautifully unknown to me. Every day, my capacity to attract money grows stronger and easier. I am a powerful creator of wealth and financial freedom. My financial success inspires and uplifts everyone around me daily. Money arrives to me through the universe's perfect plan for abundance. I am open to limitless income streams that flow with ease. My bank account grows consistently because I expect and accept wealth. I manifest money by aligning my thoughts with joy and gratitude. Abundance flows to me because I believe it is already mine. I am worthy of every dollar that comes into my life. My actions create constant opportunities for money to flow to me. I see wealth everywhere and it flows into my reality daily. I expect money miracles and welcome them with excitement and joy. My wealth increases as I focus on abundance and opportunity. The more I give, the more money flows back to me. I am grateful for the endless financial blessings I receive daily. Money finds me in magical ways I could never imagine before. I attract wealth effortlessly because I live in a state of flow. My dreams are filled with ideas that bring me financial success. I am aligned with financial abundance in every moment of my life. I attract money through inspired actions and a positive mindset always. I believe in my ability to create limitless financial prosperity now. Money flows into my life without stress, fear, or limitation. My wealth grows in perfect harmony with my values and joy. I am constantly attracting more opportunities to receive and grow wealth. The universe always provides for my financial needs in perfect timing. I choose thoughts that create money and abundance in my life. I see opportunities for wealth everywhere and act upon them joyfully. My life is filled with prosperity, abundance, and financial growth now. I am a magnet for financial opportunities and endless prosperity today. Money flows to me from directions I never expected before. I easily attract wealth by maintaining a grateful and joyful spirit. Every day, I receive more money than I could have imagined. My financial reality improves as I align with abundance and joy. I am worthy of a life filled with luxury and freedom. Money comes to me because I take inspired and focused action. I am surrounded by opportunities to increase my income every day. I naturally attract wealth by staying open to infinite possibilities now. My energy is in harmony with the vibration of financial abundance. I attract clients, opportunities, and resources that grow my wealth daily. I trust the universe to deliver all the money I need. Money flows into my life because I believe it always will. I am thankful for the continuous financial growth I experience daily. My wealth grows as I maintain a mindset of prosperity and faith. I radiate success, and financial abundance is naturally drawn to me. The universe rewards my positivity with money and joyful opportunities. I easily manifest money because I expect it in my reality. My life overflows with money, wealth, and joyful abundance always. I welcome unexpected money with gratitude, excitement, and appreciation. I am financially abundant because I focus on creating value daily. My prosperity grows as I share my gifts with the world. I receive more money than I spend every single day now. I am a powerful money magnet, and wealth flows to me effortlessly. Thank you for listening to these radiant mindset affirmations, designed to align you with wealth and abundance. Let the law of attraction work for you by replaying these daily. If this inspired you, please like, share, comment, and subscribe for more powerful affirmations. Your financial blessings are already on the way.